Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Gorgius Hair. We're going to be talking about this cute little bob that I have installed, a 12-inch curly bob. This is a 4x4 closure wig. It was kind of a journey to get here, but let's jump into this review.
My tattoos, just a remedy, 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 and the way you go, baby, don't you know, there's a remedy, 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 Dressing cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, I'll say it bye bye. Talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos, just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know, there's a remedy, 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 yeah.
Days later.
Fire burning like I do under my tattoos, just a remedy, remedy, remedy.
You'll see that it's just totally different. The hairstyle is a bit different. I am a perfectionist, you guys, and I take my craft very seriously. And if I'm not like 100% happy with it, I'm gonna do it again. I did not record this version of the hairstyle. I noticed from the other video, I'm gonna put a little clip here or something. I knew that this wig would look better in the wet style. The hair is actually dry, but I know it looks like it's wet, but it's actually dry. That's because of how I styled it. I will talk about what I went through to get it to look like this and all the changes that I made to it since the first time. So the second time around, I did pluck the hairline, so the hairline is not looking as harsh, and it's no longer a middle part, it's a deep side part. I kind of pushed the hair back a little and up here as well. I just kind of did a little pull it over to the side. I noticed the first time with the first install, the hair around here is shorter. So when you do a middle part, it is shorter right around this area. So I didn't want to really showcase that too much because I don't really like the layered bob on like a closure like curly bob wig. So I kind of just wanted it to look kind of one length. I used for this new install, this is the Jamaican black castor oil. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you know that this is one of my favorites for curly hair. It looks like this. It looks like a mayo and it smells so nice. So I wet the hair down and then I put a bunch of that in the wig. And to get this like really big defined curls, you need to use a comb. So what we did was we combed through it. When I ran through it with a comb, I just scrunched it and then I took hairspray and I sprayed it down. Even though it looks like it's a wet look and it looks like it's very hard, it's not. It's very soft because I put the moisture conditioner first and then I put the hairspray. It is a very soft hold, but yet it's still looking like it's wet. I'm loving it. Now, I did want to mention another thing that I kind of didn't love so much about this wig, the lace. Now, the lace, for some reason, looks great, and then when you have it on and if you don't have any like powder or foundation right along this hairline, So I went in with a lot of powder. I actually used the lightest color. So I used this color and this color to go over it. So what I did was, I'm gonna show you guys. Where's that brush I was using? So I got a little brush and then I went in where it was dark and I just dabbed it. Dab, 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 dab. And I went in on the part as well and then just dabbed it, and that covered up the dark gray root. We had to do that to make it look the best it can possibly look. And of course, like I said, the curls are defined. When it did dry, I kind of did comb through it like this, and it doesn't look bad like this now. But when you don't style it this way, it looks very frizzy. I'm gonna show a picture. So yeah, when you don't style it like this and do what I just did, it's gonna look like this when the curls are dry. And some people might like that, but for me personally, I like the more defined curl. So that's why I chose to redo this whole video and, you know, talk about what I did differently and show you guys the difference. Important to be transparent with you guys and show you guys, you know, both sides. You guys get to see, you know, both styles. Now it just looks more defined. It's just personal preference. You might be into that version more, but me personally, I like it looking like this. If you guys want to check out Gorgius hair, I'm gonna leave all the information to this company in the description box. If there's a coupon code, I'm gonna leave that there too, so you guys can save some coins. This wig is definitely an affordable option. It's going for, I think, $160 US. Let me know your thoughts on this unit. Which way do you like it better? Do you like it better this way? Or let me know. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Until next time, bye for now.
Don't you know there's a remedy?